Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Roblox detected a security threat problem. So many people has issue on their Roblox app concerning this security threat problem. I also had one of it, and I was able to resolve mine. In order to resolve yours, these are a few steps you have to take. You have to consider where you downloaded your Roblox app from. It must be from Play Store app or App Store. These are the two official app that allows you to download Roblox app. If not, you have to uninstall and reinstall the app from these two official app, Play Store or App Store, for security purpose. So having done that, the next thing you have to make sure is that your Roblox is updated. If you have downloaded yours from Play Store and App Store and you're still having the same issue, then you have to make sure that your Roblox app is updated. If it's updated like this, showing play, is fine. But if it's showing update, you just have to click on the update option and update it. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to go to your settings. So right here on my settings, I just have to go to my apps list, search for Roblox app, click on the storage and cache to clear my cache, because sometimes some of this trash can also hinder your Roblox app from being active, which could result to a security threat. Having done that, you can now go out from this, search for your Roblox app from your home page, click steadily on it, uninstall and reinstall it from the official app again. Or you can refresh your phone by offing it and restarting it again, so that your Roblox app will have the complete updates and work effectively. So guys, that is it on how to fix Roblox detected security threat problem. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.